Homebeerbrewery. Hello BrewTubers, and thanks for tuning in again on Homebeerbrewery's channel. I'm making this video because I purchased something really nice again for my brewery. I ordered a hop tube all the way in Italy, bacbrewing.com. First of all, this is not an advertisement, or I don't get paid to make this video. I have the invoice ready. I just want to share with you this nice piece of stainless steel hop tube. I purchased this hop tube right on the bacbrewing.com website. I chose the standard shipping and it came within 3 days, working days. So that's fantastic service. Let's open it. You can imagine how it looks opening a box, so I'm going to skip this part and show you the inside of the box. I already made some fingerprints on it, but it looks fantastic. Easy to clean. I really like this. I'm going to show some footage about using this hop tube in a fermenter. Check this out. This is the hop tube, guys. 30 centimeters long, 6.5 centimeters in diameter. I will look up how much hops will fit into it, but it looks fantastic. There's a stainless steel chain on it, so you can lower it down easily in your fermenter, for example, with a hook on the end. Very nice quality, very shiny. I made the first fingerprints on it. There's a weight on it. This weight cost about 10 euros and the price of the hop tube is 36 euros. Pretty cheap for my opinion for this quality. Well, you can choose 2 different screen filter types. The filter type for the hop, the pallet hops, and for the whole leaf hops. So the whole leaf hops has bigger holes in it. The screen is different. Let's open it. I'll show you. It's very easy to clean. You can take it apart. Again, easy to clean. Hey, this is a checklist, so you can see what Bac Brewing did with this product. About the passivation, etc. It's a nice little checklist to inform the customer what's done with the product. Very cool product, nice quality. About the weight, this weight on it prevents the hop tube from floating in the fermenter. So it's already been, the passivation process is already done. So I'm just going to give it a quick clean. And of course I'm going to sanitize it before first use. And the first use of this hop tube is going to be shown at the end of this video. I'm going to brew a big batch of beer and I'm going to put this inside my SS Brewtech conical fermenter. I'm recording this about 1 month after recording the footage you just saw about the hop tube. I have another package out of Italy. I purchased another one. I purchased another one because I already did experimental brew, and I decided last minute to dry hop it with the hop tube that I already own. But I didn't have the right lid on my fermenter. This is the lid with the 3-inch hole in it, so it will fit right through the lid. But the FTSS lid is on it with the cooling system. It's just on its way to make a cold crash right now. You can see it on the tilt information. I just sanitized the hop tube, throw in 50 grams of citra hop and 50 grams of, what was it? Excuse me, Bac hops. So 100 gram hops inside this hop tube, and I detached the chain on it and I dumped it right into the fermenter with the weight on it. So it's on the bottom now. But this, guys, I have a racking, a blow off cane, and I welded a stainless steel, I will show you, stainless steel ring on it, because with this lid, I will skip forward, beautiful, beautiful piece of equipment. I can choose the length with this S-hook. I can detach the blow-off tube of the lid, attach the S-hook on this blow-off tube, and decide how far I will put it into the fermenter, and then again I can lower it down, and now it sits nicely in the middle of the fermenter. So this is going to be the setup next time, and for the cooling system I will think of something else. So this was an idea of mine to create a little bit of an attachment. So in the future you will see me using this on the different lid, and I will show you how this works in the next batch. So I really like the product. Before I used it in this experimental batch for dry hopping, I used it as a tea bag with some orange peel and lemon peel in the brew. So 5 minutes left on the boil, I used this as a stainless steel tea bag. Well, thank you all for watching. Cheers. Remember, nothing is better than a good homebrew. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.